It is raining. It's a rainy day in the garden. I want to show you what it's like when it's raining. All the plants are happy in the rain. Everything is happy when it's raining. All the plants are in bloom. Look blooms. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It's all happy. And the sun wants to come up too. When it's raining, look here. The flowers are happy too. They're all happy in the rain. And one good thing about the rain is that it makes all the plant happy. So I am going to be moving some plants today. So let me see where my little hole is to move plants. Come with me so we can move some plants. I feel as if the last place I used it was here. Did I leave it here? No, I didn't. So where did I put it? Where did I put it? Huh. I wanna find it. Okay, I don't know where I put it. I don't know where I put it. I have to think because I need it for working in the garden. Let me see if I put it over here. No, I didn't. Help me look. Help me look. Help me look. I don't know. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. We're just walking back because I'm looking for something, because today is actually an amazing day to plant. I'm gonna go get my, I don't know, I think it was somewhere around here. Oh, here it is. Here it is. That's what I'm looking for. And I am going to be digging some holes because I am going to be planting some plants. Yeah.